Guys, it's Tony. Today we're talking about Doritos. These are Dorito collisions. So I'm going to show you what this is like. This is that and chili, can't say it, and guacamole flavour. So they've got two flavours together in there. So let's take a look at the back. Alright guys, so that's what's in it, guys. Put a few on there, so I'll have a few tonight. So the taste on there is, how can I describe it? It's an acquired taste. I wouldn't say I was big on it at all. I got this because it was on offer, but I wouldn't buy it again. The crunch on they'd actually make really good really good guacamole chili with some sour cream, which I actually got here, which is another product I was going to be talking about, which is this is Dairy Meadow, or Dairy Manor it's called, and this is from Aldi. Sorry, Liddell. I get the two mixed up, but it's pretty good, nice and thick. You can sort of dunk them in, you know, really nice. The other one that was on offer as well was this one, which was the collisions, which is the honey glazed ribs. Now this one is absolutely gorgeous. They're about the same looking, but the honey glazed ones really are really nice. I can definitely recommend them. But we only got one bag. Again, it's two flavours in one bag. Yeah, I wasn't keen on the collisions. I wasn't keen on the guacamole at all. Yeah, really. But I'll definitely recommend the honey glazed ribs and lemon blast. They are absolutely gorgeous, honey and lemon. Yeah, anyway guys, I thought I'd show you that. Thanks for coming along as always. Nice sharing an evening with you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.